Right, I'm
Dun 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 dun.
Oh, just us three. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Yeah.
Does anyone check these guys' KDs yet? They're good.
Yeah, they're not that good. There's one guy who's got like 100 kills more than 100 kills more than death on Demolition, but other than that, I think they've. Yeah. I've only got 200 more, so thanks.
Yeah, 100's
I
crap.
feel like I'm
Oh,
on
wow, look at that. 4v6. We've been given one player, they've been given three.
Sometimes I've been getting into like games where like
two.
like league like in your lobby there's 7 people.
Yeah. Like on your team, yeah. I
Yeah,
got into
never
one of
had
them around as well. Yeah.
So good.
I get into them all.
It's annoying.
I've only been into one like twice.
Alright, they're already planting, I think.
No, they're not.
Planting.
I'm not
Yeah, but big.
wasting my ammo.
Hey.
No, I'm looking at that.
Bomb
I didn't
active.
notice that.
Told you.
No,
Oh, I
two
thought
of
you
them at playing guys.
Yeah, at A they're not planting.
At B, sorry, that's
That's all.
crap!
枪手行动中。UAV awaiting orders. Friendly UAV inbound. 没有子弹了。
Oh, really? Look at that lag.
射出
They're camping out for
换子弹。
I'm just camping
I need
theirs.
2 more headshots and then I can go for like bloodthirsty.
I love it when you get past that.
Yeah, good. So the kills without
You take my toast.
走吧，走吧，走吧。
attachments
How did I
and
not
perks
get that kill?
is like really,
No, I need to pick up a gun.
not really easy.
Oh.
Quite
Fuck's sake.
easy. Oh.
I was on an 8 kill streak, man.
Jack above you! Never mind.
Oh,
dead now.
fuck off.
Oh,
You get another
okay,
one.
go for me then.
Wow.
I mean, the guy's shooting
Go
at
for
you
A,
and
just
then
go for
I'm
A.
just looking away.
I swear I was just bored, everyone's getting tired.
射出。
Crap, why are they all using LMGs?
I killed the guy.
Shit.
Ryan, come and have a look at my gaming setup.
What are you on about?
Come to me, Ryan. Go on. Come and have a look at my gaming setup.
Bomb online.
Hey, playing some Call of Duty. Brap, brap.
It's on a shit
Oh,
stamina.
you son of a bitch.
Oh, my freaking aces, my dude.
Right,
Oh, you someone defuse.
Oh, you Jack. This gaming stuff.
Dude, it's well good, isn't it?
Finish off this last piece of toast.
Get off them! Get off them, man! They didn't do anything! Oh, crap.
Done.
This middle one can't die.
It's the Xbox. Look, it's the Xbox, Jack.
Oh, holy crap, this is my setup. This is my new setup, guys. Updated setup video.
Jack, mind you!
Crap. I was just throwing in my setup
Oh, I
and he
saw
goes
it.
and kills me.
Son of a bitch.
I think he's broken one of my
UAV
screens, so
on
I'm
standby.
actually on a
No, it's not.
Oh, get
Oh
one
yeah,
in,
like your bad as Mackenzie.
Oh, fuck's sake.
No.
When you scratched him so much.
It was my bag. He even said it was my bag.
Alright, calm down and just saying what I
That was so bad accuracy.
Bloody hell. This guy's trying to wreck my new gaming setup. God.
Bit of help, you guys.
God, if he does, I'll cry.
Oh my god, there's no one covering.
Oh, I thought I saw someone
I'm
attack.
not even pushing, I'm just looking at the gaming setup.
Oh, I thought I
No,
would have
2
killed
screens
him.
have been shot. How dare they?
This gun is not accurate at all.
Which gun?
Hostile counter UAV inbound.
MK48.
Radar is down.
It is. Depends what you have on it.
UAV
Oh
awaiting
fuck.
orders.
Yeah,
Oh,
thank
right,
fuck.
okay,
Did I get the kill?
Did
Yeah.
you hear it?
Oh,
Onion tunes are going on in my head. Can't get 'em out unless I go to bed. But I never go to bed.
no, I knew he was gonna get me because this
Yes,
gun is a
I'll
lot
never
of
go to
recoil.
bed. I'll never go to bed.
Headshot, I think I need 2 more or 1 more. Where the hell was he? I swear to God he just spawned literally.
Swear to God, that sniper turned on me that I was right.
I saw that. I saw his bullet.
Bloody hell, there's like 5 of them spawning at a time now.
Time is almost up.
I swear to God, are these guys wrecking you or are these...
Nah, these people are fucking easy.
You both using them methods?
I'm not. I'm using Scar H and a SMC.
I always use them.
子弹来了！武器在此，继续！
Fuck's sake.
Adequate
Dude,
Jack.
I just went on a
Ready for the
freaking
next
streak at
round.
the end.
Jack, look at me.
主击手发射！
I was just
I
looking
swear
at
I
the game
just
and
saw
stuff,
it
and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna go outside and kill some sheep.
TAZ. His contact is like
Halftime.
enough for your name.
The pass.
GZ, you're...
Demolition.
Ryan's
Oh,
having
tomorrow's
another
gonna be
good game,
sick.
lad.
I am having a good game.
Double P, half
I am 1 off an orbital. 1 or
Ryan's
2
just
kills
like,
off an
I do this
orbital.
every day, God.
I hope that gets someone.
Watch, boys!
got an
Oh,
orbital.
like me, little gay boy. I mean,
Friendly orbital
little,
VSAT online.
not very,
I mean,
Interested in
not
women,
very nice
so-
guy.
yeah.
I mean,
Oh my god,
Hey,
fucking
kill
hell.
that enemy!
I'll take that.
Killed him! Right, he's got dogs yet.
No, I'm going from almost gone.
are you seriously gonna tell me that that didn't even get a hit marker when I was shooting at
Oh,
him?
wow.
For like
Get turned on!
5 seconds of daylight. Alright, I'm picking up this.
Dude, let's go!
Bomb
Tricked
active.
them. 1 or 2 more kills for dogs, probably.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Ah, I thought I could go further than that.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
Oh, that apple got like a second leg.
Oh no, there's only 3 of them.
Dude, let's
You
go.
guys get out, let's
Bomb
win.
has been planted.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Care package inbound.
Oh, they got people in, they got people in. Who the hell planted? Fuck's sake, I'm not gonna be able to get my
Friendly UAV
dogs.
inbound.
Ah,
Friendly
it's
care package
66 now.
inbound.
Yeah, but they still need to defuse. Right, I've got
unit
dogs,
awaiting
but I probably
orders.
won't even get them.
Please give me a load star.
Friendly stealth
Oh, doggy.
chopper inbound.
Give me a death machine. He's
Death
freaking
machine
serious.
spinning up.
And the thing these are good for is
Care package inbound.
you'll left, look, because I went on a frickin' streak.
Oh yeah, 'cause that's why. I mean,
Yeah,
dogs.
because
No.
they left because, yeah, I went on a
Because I've
streak.
got dogs, but you know.
It's all makes sense.
Oh wow, that guy killed both of them.
I just finished on a 6 KD.
30 and 5. Well done, Ryan. 8 KD.
8.
8.
13 and
No,
5.
no, it's 7. 6.
No. Yeah. I said
Our
that
general,
before.
please.
6 KD. I got that a bit wrong.
Just a tad.
I mean, what am I? Step 1 math?
Funny fingers who you are.